Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys portable hotspot setting guys. How can we use in our Poco phone guys? You want to use guys your portable hotspot setting in your Poco phone, and how can you use guys A to Z setting guys. Today I am going to show you guys how can you on off, how can you use, how can you share your hotspot. In this video friend we will talk about it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting to use your portable hotspot setting, then guys you scroll portable hotspot guys, tap here guys. You can see portable hotspot guys. First of all guys, we will on it. After on guys, you can see set up portable hotspot. One setting guys is that guys, you can check here guys your device name. You want to change device name, you can change from here. And guys, you can check your password. You want to change your password guys, you can change from here guys. You want to add something else, you can add from here. Add set tap here guys. Third option guys, share QR code guys. You want to share your hotspot, so you can share from here to scan the QR code. And when it's one time data limit setting guys, you want to off, you can. After okay the setting will not work, then guys you will have to on one time data limit guys. You can change from here to 200 MB and get 50 150 and 100 Mbps guys. You can set from here guys. MB guys, not Mbps. And guys, you can see guys your turn off automatically hotspot guys. You can on and off from here. Bluetooth setting guys, you can on and off from here. Connected device guys, you can check from here. And you can is limit of connected device guys, you can set guys, change 2 3 4 5 6 like that guys. You can change from here. So like that guys you can use. And last guys, you want to off your portable hotspot setting guys, you don't want to use, you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.